Everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that so many English learners ask me, and that's how do I move from B level English to C level English without the struggle. So let's try and make it easy and understand the real difference between B level and C level. So at B level, you understand English, and at C level, you really use English effectively. B level is all about accuracy, whereas C level is all about the flexibility, the confidence, and style. So the goal isn't learning more grammar, it's learning to express yourself in a deeper, more natural way. To reach C level, I really recommend ensuring that English becomes part of your daily routine. I have spoken about this on previous videos, but it really is so important. Don't think that you have to dedicate hours to studying. You just need to form some simple habits. Some ideas include changing your phone to English, watching one short video a day in English, or reading something that you actually really enjoy. And in my opinion, the absolute most important way to improve your English is, of course, speaking out loud daily, even if you're alone. These small habits, when practiced daily, really do show big results. Remember, speaking isn't about talking for hours, it's about talking regularly. So try 5 minutes daily speaking practice, recording yourself so you can listen for any errors or pronunciation mistakes, answering one question out loud a day in English, or repeating natural phrases from videos. Make sure the materials you are reading, watching, and listening to are all C level. So this means ensuring they are all slightly more complex than B level. So I suggest news clips, documentaries, opinion articles, TED Talks, and podcasts featuring real conversations. You will improve by listening to language that challenges you, but start small and make sure it doesn't totally overwhelm you. One of the biggest, yet often most difficult C-level skills is thinking directly in English. So, as always, start with small steps such as describe what you're doing in your head, plan your day in English when you wake up, talk through your thoughts, and ensure that your inner voice in your head remains in English for 5 or 10 minutes a day. Slowly building this as you become more confident. Over time, your brain will naturally stop translating and your fluency will massively improve. Another tip to sound C level is don't memorize long lists of vocabulary. Instead, focus on expressions, linking words, and more complex sentence structure. This really helps your English sound much more natural, just like a native speaker. For example, instead of saying I think, try from my perspective. Instead of it's good, try it's highly beneficial. Don't worry about making mistakes. This is actually how we learn quicker. So try and see mistakes as beneficial to your learning. When you make a mistake, write it down, find the correct version, and try to use it 3 times that week. This is one of the effective ways how C-level speakers grow. The English Mastery Hub offers an intensive 3-month course that is designed to help you move confidently between the levels. The course starts in March and it includes 2 lessons per week with a maximum of 5 students per class. During the course, you will focus on improving all the key areas of English, so speaking, writing, listening, and reading, helping you strengthen these skills and progress to an advanced level. You will learn C1 level vocabulary and how to use it appropriately. Expand your sentences to sound more natural and native-like, and also practice complex grammar structure. Remember, the English Mastery Hub also offers many additional resources to support your progress from B level to C level, including the Magic Dictionary, all the blog posts, a great listening page with access to Sky News, structured courses, and of course, the opportunity to book one-to-one lessons with highly experienced teachers. These teachers can tailor your lessons specifically to help you reach an advanced C level in English. So, if you are serious about moving from B level to C level, then ensure you are building simple habits, you are choosing advanced resources, speaking regularly, and also training your brain to think in English. Let me know in the comment section if your goal this year is to move to C-level English and what you think your biggest challenge may be to achieve this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.